The content provided on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional, financial or accounting advice. इस चैनल पर फराहम करदा मवाद सिर्फ तालीमी और मालूमाती मकासद के लिए है और इससे पेशावराना मालियाती या अकाउंटिंग मशवरे के तौर पर नहीं समझा जाना चाहिए। In today's lecture, we will learn the definition of liabilities. Condition 1. Company financial obligation or debt resulting from past transactions or events. Condition 2. Must be settled in the future through the transfer of money, goods or services. If both the condition for the definition is met, liability. Types of liabilities: current, contingent liability, non-current liability. Current liabilities are obligations that are due within 1 year. Contingent liabilities, potential liabilities that depends on the outcome of future events recorded in financial statements. If future event is probable, amount can be reasonably estimated if both conditions met. Recognize liability in financial statements. Non-current liabilities, these are obligations that are due within more than 1 year.